A very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are doing well. So, in the previous video, we have discussed how the narrator Shama he had made the plan and asked Shastriji to speak up the few words about Ranga's fortune. And it deals with the marriage of Ranga, a native village, Hoshahalli, who has returned after being educated in Bangalore. Now, hearing of Ranga's return, the villagers came to find out whether Ranga had changed due to studying in city school or not. And to their surprise and pleasure, he was the same Ranga who was treating everyone with respect. And Shama, he was unhappy. That is Shama, the narrator, he was unhappy because he was not happy listening the views of Rangas regarding marriage. When Shama took Ranga to Shastriji and about his fortune, he told that a girl named related to ocean, the name could be Pearl, Ratna. And then Ranga, he was very surprised. And Shama, he further asked if there is any chance of negotiation of marriage bearing any fruit. लेकिन नरेटर ने दैट इज श्यामा एक बार फिर ये रंगा को कह दिया दैट रत्ना इज ऑलरेडी मैरिड. Now this we have already discussed yesterday that on the way the narrator enters Rama Rao's house and comes out of the house to inform that Ranga is unmarried and the previous information about her marriage was wrong. Listening to this, there was some surprise on Ranga's face and even some happiness. On their return, it was there that जब रामा राव के घर से श्यामा निकले and he told that Ratna is unmarried and it was a wrong information being given. So he also inquired of Ranga that whether what Shastri has indicated was true. Shama asked Ranga that he is thinking about Ratna, and Ranga admitted that whatever Shastri said about the girl was true, and now he wanted to get married to Ratna, right? And matlab he started believing in एस्ट्रोलॉजी. बट नरेटर ने कहा कि जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने कहा इट इज़ करेक्ट. एंड श्यामा ही ऑल्सो आस्क्ड शास्त्री जी कि लाइक वट एवर यू हैव सेड इज़ ट्रू एंड इट इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लान. बट टू हिज सरप्राइज शास्त्री जी टोल्ड कि मैंने जो है सारा वो नहीं कहा जो आपने कहा था. इट वॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू माई कैलकुलेशंस, अकॉर्डिंग टू माई एस्ट्रोलॉजी, वट एवर आई फाउंड ट्रू that I have told to Ranga, and it was there कि whatever he said was the result of his calculation and not what Shama asked to told Shastriji. Finally, Ranga and Ratna got married. All the idealism of Ranga was forgotten as he was totally fascinated by Ratna's beauty and the sweet voice. And it was their son's birthday. He was 3 years old and they named their first child Shama. The people asked that why you have kept the name of your child Shama. So Ranga he answered that it was only Shama, that is the narrator, it was his effort that they got married. And years later, Ranga invited the narrator for dinner on the occasion, and it was his 3-year-old son's birthday. The son, like it was, the narrator was also surprised and he asked कि क्यों आपने श्यामा रखा अपने बेटे का नाम. In honor, Ranga told that it was in honor of you only. And thus Ranga was leading a very happy and married life with Ratna. So this is how like we can say that the title of the story Ranga's marriage is justified, क्योंकि पूरी story जो है it revolves around Ranga, Ratna and Shama. and how, the marriage of Ranga, who was an accountant son, and it was everybody was happy कि जो है रंगा changed नहीं हुआ, और किस तरीके से श्यामा he was unhappy, and how he planned that Ranga should meet a girl and see her himself by inviting Ranga to come to his home when Ratna was called there for purpose, like purposely Ratna was called there. And then the astrology by telling Ranga that Ratna is married, and just looking at the face expressions, the reactions of Ranga, and then when the astrologer told, and then knowing that Ratna is not married, and finally they got married and leading happily. Now this is all about the Ranga's marriage. The same thing, the assignments are being uploaded. Please go through the questions and solve your assignments. Time and again we'll be telling you this. Have a great day. Thank you so much.